two head. You're
That's what your
followed by
dad drove
Shannon
over
and
here?
Tyler. And then Tyler and
That's
Claudia.
what they were in.
So Tyler.
The black case.
Okay.
I left him on the seat.
This team's working
That's
with
where I
two
left
head.
him. Right in the middle. I didn't think anybody would be taking that truck. I thought Preston was driving it today. So I just, I can't keep track of two pair of glasses. God, they lost my glasses.
Flags up. Nine.
There's something ironic about when the judge can't see.
No, it's just dark. It looks like they need to turn the lights on.
I know,
right?
but it...
I know it's not that dark because I can...
Go one. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
There it is. Oh.
No time. Okay, we need Shannon and Tyler. This team's working with two head.